For each of the following chordic graphs, form a possible equation. We know it's a chordic graph because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 intercepts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the general form, y equals a. Then there's 4 linear roots, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can substitute the values of b, c, d, and e because I can get it from my graph. So I'm going to say y equals a x. Now my first value, I'm just going to go down the list. My first value is -6. And remember, my root is the opposite sign, so this is going to be +6. X, the opposite of -5, is +5. Opposite of -3 is +3, so that's going to be x +3. And then for the last one, it's going to be the opposite of +4, which is going to give us -4. So x take away 4. I still don't know what a is. So to find the value of a, I'm going to look at another point. So I need another point on the graph, and they're going to give us 0 and 5 in this case. They can give you any value. They give us 0 and 5. So what I can do is I can substitute the y value in here, and I can substitute the x value in there, and therefore I'm going to change that. I'm going to change and use the x value, put in the x values there, and then I can find the value of a. So all I have to do is I'm going to say y is 5, a, x is 0, so it's 0, 6, 5, 3, and -4. Okay, to make it easier, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So divide by 5 on both sides, I'm going to get that. So I'm going to have 1 equals 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. So that's going to be -72a. And therefore divide by -72 on both sides. So a equals -1/72. So my equation will be y equals -1/72, x plus 6, x plus 5, x plus 3, x minus 4.